Hello there, we are Team 7. I am Tarun and here are my teammates Sai Prakash, Karthik, Abhishek, Nandini and Poojakar. I am Tarun and me and my team worked on a project called SANA, which stands for Security Application and Navigation via ARDUINO. So SANA is helpful in many ways and let me explain you. And do you have any large fields or are you going to a vacation? Don't worry, we got you covered. My teammates will further explain you about the working principle and advantages and disadvantages of the system.
This is Cyprus. We are going to discuss about the principle based on our project, that is SANA. Here, based on the ultrasonic radar system, in which it can sense the movement of objects in certain specific area around 180 degrees, and it is set up with a Arduino and ultrasonic radar, ultrasonic sensor and motor, that servo motor and some resistors, and with the breadboard. The connections are these connections made a setup which can detect the movement of objects.
Hi everyone, now I am Karthik. Now I am going to explain you about existing solutions. There are CCTV cameras, also drones and watchmen and etc. There are many other existing solutions, but mainly coming to the CCTV cameras, they work on image capturing. These are very costly, and when some unknown object comes in the place, or they themselves hide. These cameras work on video sensing, and drones are very costly. They specify each and every object, but they are very costly. And coming to watchmen, we can't believe our watchmen's right. They can also deceive us. These existing solutions are not that accurate for security sensing.
We use the many components. This is the ultrasonic sensor. This is the servo motor. This is the breadboard. We use for the breadboard is the connecting wires to the Arduino. This is the Arduino. The servo motor will rotate the angle, the distance. This is the ultrasonic sensor. It consists of the receiver and transmitter. This transmitter transmits the sound waves. It has the frequency which is not hearable even to the human ears. And next, it is calculated. It calculates the distance, like speed into time. This is the servo motor. It rotates, so it gives a rotation angle as 180. With that ultrasonic sensor, it sends any object which is in front of it, and it gives the angle and time.
I would like to say about advantages and disadvantages of our project. Our project name is SANA. And coming to advantages, advantages of our project are: it is cost effective, it is less cost, and in a place where haunted area, where less mobility is, it consists of less mobility, we apply this project. By the help of this project, we can detect any movement or object which is moving around a particular radar. And the disadvantages coming to our project are it is not used in high mobility areas, like people where roam continuously, or they work around there. It won't work there. And so I finally conclude that our project makes security easier, accessible, economically easier. Thank you.
This is the prototype of the project here. As you can see, the UV sensor is rotating 180 degrees and detecting the objects which is in its vicinity. So whenever there is some kind of objection in between its path, it will just give us an alarm, and it will just give us an LED which is red in color. And here you can see it's notifying us at what distance that particular objection is at, and at what angle that particular unidentified object is at. So this is what our project is.